But this is too clean right here. Bro, this is like, they told me I couldn't do this, bro. They literally was in school like, you can't take your time when you cut hair. This is what you have to do. You have to take your time. I'm not going to rush my clients out the chair. Because why would I rush them out the chair? If I rush them out the chair, it's not going to be this clean. They told me I wasn't good enough, man. They did.
Hey, man, they're liars, man. The devil don't know the future, bro.
He don't.
It didn't matter because I was an hour out. So I'm logging in later than I'm used to. That means I'm working later than I'm used to. And then I was going to flex afterwards. And during, I was picking up the small flexes, like the 2-hour ones, while I was working because like I got home that night after flex school. I fell asleep. And then I was like,
If you want the Leon special, come to Leon. That's clean right there.